Hi there. Welcome back to Legal Marketing Moments. I'm Nancy Myrland with Myrland Marketing and Social Media. I continue to find professionals who are hesitant to share what they know on social media or digital media. Digital, and I would put into those categories those platforms where people aren't naturally talking back, such as a podcast or a blog post. And social media, obviously, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, or X, whatever you want to call it these days, Threads, TikTok, Instagram, you name it. And the comment and the trepidation revolves around, what could I possibly say that anyone would want to hear? I don't know what to share. And so my answer to you, what I want you to seriously think about today is, instead of saying, who am I to share the information that I know? I want you to turn that around and I want you to ask yourself, who am I to not share what I know? Reason being, there are people who need to know what you have to say. You know things that are valuable to people. Otherwise, you would not be doing what you are doing. You would not have studied so long and so hard to learn what you know so that you could make it your life's work. So instead of asking, who am I? Who am I to share what I know? Who am I to post about these sorts of things? And also worrying about the format of it, we can deal with that. That's the easy part. I want you to seriously, each time you say that, I want you to instead cover that thought, that negative thought, by asking yourself, who am I not to? Because even if it is one person, the right person, and I have a feeling it will be many more than one person, but even if it's just one person who you help by sharing your knowledge, then you have accomplished your goal of building your reputation and your relationships. All right, let me know if you have any questions or if you need any help with all of this. Again, I'm Nancy Myrland, president of Myrland Marketing and Social Media, and you can email me at nancy@myrlandmarketing.com, and that's MYRLAND marketing.com, or all of my contact information is under the contact tab at myrlandmarketing.com, or you can comment here if you're on a platform where you can do that, or just message me privately here as well. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.